Hello there and welcome to the show, Minute Madness, where every minute matters. Hello again. Tonight, our three amazing contestants will use their general knowledge, creative skills and determination to battle it out and prove they're worthy of the final prize. I'm Anna and we have the lovely Izzy to present the quiz rounds. Now, it's my pleasure to introduce our contestants. First, meet our first contestant. So, who are you and where are you from?
My name's Denise and I'm from Essex.
Nice to meet you, Denise. And what do you do?
I study criminology and forensic studies.
Oh, nice, interesting. Do you like Essex? I'm from Essex too, so I'm a little bit biased. Yes, but
Whereabouts?
Southend-on-Sea.
Okay.
By the beach, yeah. Come down to the beach again, Portsmouth. All right, and now we have our contestant too. Who are you and where are you from?
My name's Elias and I'm from Norwich.
Oh, right, yeah. I have a few friends from Norwich. Do you like it there?
It's all right. It's not
Good,
too bad.
good. What brings you to Portsmouth?
University.
Oh, what do you do at university?
Petroleum engineering.
Nice, interesting, interesting. And lastly, we have our third contestant. Who are you and where are you from?
Hi, I'm Nimi and I'm from Dartford in Kent.
Oh, yeah, that's only about 45 minutes from us, isn't it? All right, do you like it in Kent, yeah?
Yeah, it's all right. It's all right. Not too far from Kent actually, just across the river.
Exactly, just the little river. Yep, no worries. And what do you do?
Mechanical engineering.
All right, enjoy it?
Yeah, it's okay. It's
Okay,
tough
bit of work,
though.
yeah?
Yeah.
No worries, I understand. Right, well, thank you for sharing. Good luck to you all. Now, the contestants will have to complete 2 challenges and 2 quiz rounds to reach the finale. All tasks must be completed within 1 minute, and each win will be rewarded with an advantage in the finale. Here we ask the question, is 1 minute enough to prove yourself? Let's find out. Earlier today, we sent our contestants out to their first challenge, where they had to fold their way to victory. Let's see how they did.
Hello and welcome to the first challenge. Today I want to see who out of these wonderful contestants is the most creative through the use of just one piece of paper. It's time for the origami challenge. So our amazing contestants will have 1 minute to create this origami swan with the help of instructions. Right, let's get started and remember, every minute matters. Are you ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go!
But which corner goes first? Oh no, it's looking more of an envelope than a bird. Oh no, I've just made
What am I even
I
doing?
don't get it.
I'm not sure.
I was meant to make a diamond, but I think I just made a square.
Yo.
Yo.
No.
Okay, let's go back. Oh, okay. Ow, 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 ow. I get it now. All right, I'm here.
You're where we are.
Oh. Well, do you know what I mean? I made a breakthrough. I go hold the top line of that to the centre.
Oh.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up, guys. Now our contestants are going to try and convince you guys at home why you should vote for their crane.
Hey, Miss Denise, and this is my crane. I've got all the points that needed. I think it's safe to say that mine is the best, and you'll know that when you see the others.
I'm Elias and this is my crane and obviously don't have to talk much about it. It speaks for itself.
Hi, my name's Nimi. This is my crane. As you can see, got the feet, the lovely wings, and the little tail. Give me a little twerk, give me a little twerk like that. It can even fly, but I can't show you that right now because that would be spoiling too much.
Brilliant. Make sure you stay tuned for the end of the show to find out who has won the best crane. Now, let's get back to the studio to find out what our brilliant contestants will be facing next.
Excellent effort, guys. I'm excited to see the results. So the choice is now up to you at home. Get voting on the Minute Madness Facebook page so you can decide who won the origami challenge. The results will be announced at the end of the show, so stay tuned. But now we move on to the first round of the quiz. Izzy, over to you.
So Denise, you'll be up first, so come on up. So 1 minute to get as many questions right as possible. How are we feeling?
Nervous, but I'm ready.
Cool. Right, 3, 2, 1. What is a group of crows called?
Birds.
What is the plastic tip of a shoelace called?
The Kimball.
What is the world's most famous first child's name?
Charlie.
What colour is most toilet paper in France?
White.
Which world city has the slogan, "What happens here stays here"?
Germany.
Which language is mostly used in South America?
English.
Which war was fought between the North and the South regions in the United States?
Pass.
What type of feather beginning with the letter Q do people write with during the Middle Ages?
Pass.
Julius Caesar was the emperor of what empire?
The Greek Empire.
Name the president of America who was assassinated in 1963.
John F. Kennedy.
The ancient Egyptian writing system was called what?
Pass.
Time is up, but I'm afraid you only got one right, but I'm sure you'll be fine. Don't worry.
No worries. Thank you.
Take your seat. Okay, so, oh no, Elias, you're up next, so come on up. The plural of moose is?
Pass.
Is red an adjective or a noun?
A noun.
How many continents are there?
4.
How many states are there in the United States?
50.
Which state is called the Lone Star State?
Pass.
What is the longest river in the world?
Jordan.
Which country is the largest in size?
Russia.
What causes tides?
Pass.
What is the biggest organ in the body?
Lungs.
What is the closest planet to the sun?
Pass.
How many face cards are there in a regular pack of playing cards?
52.
Solve the equation 8 plus 6 over 1.
14.
Which celebrity lost the largest amount of Twitter followers in 2018? Oh, time is up, but I'm afraid you got one right, but you did very, very well. Well done. Go and take your seat. So, Nimi, you're up next. How are we feeling?
I'm ready. I feel like I'm ready anyway.
Cool. 3, 2, 1. Which celebrity won the first ever series of Celebrity Big Brother?
No idea. Pass.
Which actor played the first ever Doctor in hit sci-fi drama Doctor Who?
Pass.
The first ever. What was the name of the first ever Friends episode?
Pass.
When placed in alphabetical order, which country appears first under the letter C?
Croatia.
What is the tallest breed of dog in the world?
Great Dane.
Who is the author of the Hunger Games trilogy?
Pass.
What letter is located between letters X and V on a standard keyboard?
Pass.
What is the fastest land animal in the world?
Cheetah.
How many points does a snowflake have?
6.
What is Prince Harry's first real name? Time is up, but I'm afraid you got 2 right, so very well done to you. Go and take your seat.
Well done, guys. How do you think that went, Denise? How are you feeling?
I mean, I got one right. So, I'm proud of myself for
Well,
that.
there you go. At least
so.
it wasn't none. You always got
Exactly.
glasses half full. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Well, I
Always be
think you did
positive.
very well. There were some hard questions in there, so well done to you. Hats off. And Elias, how do you feel you did?
Would have gone better, but
Yeah.
it is what it is.
What sort of categories were you hoping for?
Probably like general knowledge, like something that I would know, but I had no idea. So,
Do you feel like you'd be good on like sports questions or like any more geography or history or
sports.
sports? Yeah.
Sports.
Yeah, with you on that one. No worries. And Nimi, I think you did pretty well there. There was some, but you didn't waste any You didn't waste any time on questions you didn't know. So I thought that was
No.
quite good.
Yeah. But funny thing is, I would have actually answered their questions a lot better.
It's unfortunate how that would go, wouldn't it? Well, no worries. You still got time to bring it back. On to the next challenge where things got a little messy. Let's look.
So we are back with our second challenge for today. And I tell you folks, things are going to get intense because it's now time for the cake eating competition. So we all like a bit of cake, however you guys will just have 1 minute to eat this whole carrot cake without using your hands. And then I will decide that the person with the least cake on their plate will be the winner.
Let's get it.
I'm ready.
Let's get it.
I've been ready. Let's go.
So best luck to all three of you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, we're actually doing this.
Already nearly got past the icing, well done.
Oh my god, oh, come on, no.
30 seconds, guys. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. You guys really threw yourselves into that one, but there can only be one winner, so let's take a look. Elias, we'll start with you. How do you think that went?
Speaks for itself.
Wow, you demolished that completely. Was that harder than you expected?
It was easy.
It was easy.
I love food.
You love food. Oh, Denise, what happened?
Not much by the looks.
You know what? I kept getting icing on my nose, and I was just in my head. I was thinking, "This ain't it. This ain't it." And I was just, you know what?
Was it harder than you
It
expected?
was really hard.
Was it?
I don't know how you did that. That was traumatic.
Nimi, how do you think that went?
Considering I hate raisins, I took the first bite and I felt to die inside. So I knew exactly what it was when I bit into it. And ever since then, I just had to sort of keep going, you know.
So I've taken a look at all of your plates. You all did very well, but I've made my decision, and the winner is Elias. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Congratulations. You all did very well, but congratulations, Elias. Well done. You have won yourself the advantage in the finale, so you should be very, very proud of your efforts. Now let's get back to that studio to see what's happening with the final quiz round.
Fantastic, guys. You should be very proud of your efforts. Now, I should mention quickly, the points that were given out in the last round were actually incorrect. The correct points were, Denise, you got 1, Elias, you got 3, and Nimi, you got 3 also. So you two are joint in the lead. How do you feel about that?
I feel chuffed.
Good, good, good. I'm happy to hear it. I'm happy to hear it. So, Denise, what one do you think you got right in that round?
It must have been the one, the John F. Kennedy one.
All right,
I'm
can I
proper
say that
confident on
that was completely correct? Well done for that one.
Thank you.
And what ones were you really angry that you think, oh, how could I not get that?
The one about
Is it the Friends one? I
the
felt
Friends one
yeah.
really. The
Well,
Friends one really.
what was it
got
that
me.
you said, or did you pass?
I passed that one.
Well, I can announce that it was the one where Monica gets a new roommate. Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
But never
I
mind.
don't think
You'll
I
know
got
for
that
next time. We all learned something. Right, so we all did an excellent job. If you're worried you are lagging behind, you can still bring it back with a final quiz round. Remember, every minute matters. Okay, so the same rules apply as the first round. Is 1 minute enough to prove yourself? Over to you, Izzy.
Right, here we go. Denise, you're up first. Same as last time, 1 minute, get as many questions right as possible. How are we feeling?
Very, very nervous.
What are you expecting to come up? Are you hoping they'll be easier or harder?
I'm just, you know, a little bit of pop, a little bit of celebrity, who knows? I'm waiting.
Cool. Are you ready?
I am.
3, 2, 1. What year did Spain win their first World Cup title?
2001.
Which Spice Girl had a hit song with Bryan Adams?
Mel B.
In 1950, India withdrew from the World Cup because FIFA refused to let them do what?
Be in the game.
Which famous actor starred alongside his son in the 2013 film After Earth?
Pass.
Which news programme was the first ever to enter the top 10 ratings in 1967?
News round.
What is the main ingredient of hummus?
Pass.
In which part of the human body is the limbic system?
In the intestine.
Are turtles reptiles or amphibians?
Reptiles.
True or false? Polo is played on the largest pitch.
False.
Which country does Parmesan cheese originate from?
Italy.
Time is up, I'm afraid. How did you think that went?
Not very well, but we'll see.
Well, I'm afraid you got 3 right, but that's better than last time,
Yeah,
so you should be
definitely.
proud of yourself. So go and sit down. So, Nimi, come on up.
That's me, okay.
Right, same as last time, 1 minute to get as many questions right as possible. How are we feeling?
Yep, I'm feeling a bit better this time.
Cool. Are you expecting it to be harder or easier?
No idea, but let's go.
Cool. Are you ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1. What nationality was Albert Einstein?
German?
True or false? The heart of a shrimp is located in its head.
True.
What is 8 plus 42 plus 30?
80.
What scientific name is table salt known as?
Sodium chloride.
How many zeros are there in 100,000?
5.
Which comedian presents Chatty Man?
Alan Carr.
Which football team is nicknamed the Magpies?
Blackburn?
How many days are there in January?
31.
What was the first fully animated feature film released by Walt Disney?
Mickey Mouse.
What is the only animal that does not have the ability to jump?
No idea, pass.
Who was the winner of the X Factor in 2015? Time is up, I'm afraid. How do you think that went?
I think it went better than last time, I want to say.
Well, it did because you got 7 right, so very well done to you. Go and take your seat.
Thank you.
So, Elias, come on up. So, same applies. Get as many questions right as possible in 1 minute. How are we feeling?
We'll just see how it goes.
Are you expecting it to be harder or easier?
A bit of both.
Cool. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Cool. 3, 2, 1. What year did the Second World War end?
1942.
Who wrote the 1970 song American Pie?
Pass.
What nationality is pop singer Shawn Mendes?
American.
What is the second largest country in South America?
Brazil.
Which male artist released a hit song called Human in 2016?
Pass.
How many hours are equal to 360 minutes?
60.
Which continent does Cyprus belong to?
Pass.
What is the capital of Morocco?
Pass.
The Godfather was released in 1972. Who played that title role?
Pass.
Which land mammal has the longest tail in the world?
Pass.
Which actor played the character Edward Scissorhands?
Johnny Depp.
Snails can sleep for multiple years. How many years can they sleep for?
Pass.
Oh, your time is up, I'm afraid, but I'm pleased to say that you got 1 right, but you still did really well, so go and take your seat.
Well done, guys. Well done. Right, well, earlier on in the show, we sent our contestants on a challenge, and we have the results governed by our audience. The results determine which of our contestants will gain the advantage in the finale. But before we reveal the results, let's remind ourselves how it's gone so far. So, the first quiz round was a tie, and the second one to Nimi. Well done, you. For our cake challenge, we had quite a clear winner. Elias, you completely annihilated that cake. Oh, well done. Did you enjoy it?
I was very hungry, so yes.
Oh, good, good.
Yes.
So now, let's see who won the last challenge. And the winner is Denise. Congratulations, Denise. Did you think your crane was good enough to win?
100%.
Oh, brilliant.
As soon as I looked at it and I looked at theirs, I knew that I was the winner. It was so obvious.
I'm very proud of it. You deserved it. You
Thank
deserved
you.
it. Well done, you. So that means with 1 win and 1 tie, Elias will get the advantage in the finale. Well done. But commiserations for our other contestants. We only have the finale left today, and the winner of this challenge will determine who will be our Minute Madness champion and win the final prize. Let's see what that could be. winner will get 2 tickets to Flip Out. That looks really fun. I might go there actually, to be honest, it did look very good. So the finale will not only test your intellect, but also your speed and your aim. It is time for the quiz throw. It works like this. Each contestant has a minute to answer as many questions as possible. Each correct answer gives them a chance to throw 1 ball in the catcher. If you get it in the red net, you get 3 points. Green gives you 2 and yellow gives you 1. The amount of points they have at the end of the minute will be their final score. Izzy?
So Denise, you have won the advantage, so you have won the advantage of 2 balls. So before the minute starts, so you'll get to throw those. Now come on down and you can get started. You throw your balls now. Now let's get ahead with the questions. 3, 2, 1. How many countries are there in Northern Ireland?
1.
What is fool's gold made of?
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
What is fool's gold made of? Fool's gold.
Pass.
Which child actor played the voice of Boo in Monsters, Inc?
Pass.
What is the name of the first Scottish man to be voted European Footballer of the Year?
Pass.
What is the softest mineral in the world?
The softest mineral?
Yeah.
Water?
Which Las Vegas hotel did the bachelor party stay in at the 2009 film The Hangover?
Pass.
Who released a hit song in the 1980s called 99 Red Balloons?
Pass.
What is the largest planet in our solar system?
The sun?
Which body organ is affected by glaucoma?
The blood?
Who was the director of the movie The Piano?
Pass.
Which country is the origin of Stella beer?
Pass.
Your time is up, I'm afraid, so you can go and sit back down.
Thank you.
Well done, Denise, well done.
So, Nimi, do you want to come on up? 3, 2, 1. Which city became capital of West Germany in 1949?
Berlin.
How long is an Olympic swimming pool?
25 meters.
How many stars has the American flag got?
50.
Correct. So you get to throw your ball.
Okay.
True or
Oh, nice one.
True or false, US TV star Jerry Springer was born in London's Highgate Tube Station.
False.
Which English glam rock band are the best remembered for their single Tiger Feet?
Pass.
Do camels store water in their humps?
Yes.
Correct. Ooh. Which team won the 2003 Formula One car racing championship?
Mercedes-Benz.
What is the largest island in the world? Your time is up, I'm afraid, but you did very, very well. Do you want to go and sit down?
Thank you.
Done, Nimi. Nice one.
So, Elias, are you ready? Come on up. 3, 2, 1. Which male artist broke a record in 2017?
Pass.
How many bytes are there in a kilobyte?
Pass.
How many ribs are in the human body?
10.
Which land snake has the most toxic venom in the world?
Black Mamba.
Golden Years and Sound and Vision are singles from which British musician?
Pass.
How many sides does a pentagon have?
5.
Correct. Throw the ball. Ooh. What is the name of the dog in Enid Blyton's series of The Famous Five?
Pass.
If you had the visible numbers on a standard dartboard together, what answer do you get?
180.
Which country borders Norway and Finland?
Pass.
Which movie starring Cameron Diaz and Kate Winslet features the song Mr. Brightside? Time is up, I'm afraid, but you did very, very well. Go and sit down.
Unlucky, Elias, unlucky. Well, I mean, you still did. Just don't forget that cake round, because I still can't get over that. That was very, very good. Right, well done, guys. All of you have definitely given it your all today. However, there can only be one winner. Now, it is time to find out how many points your balls managed to get you and crown our winner. Well, we can now announce that our Minute Madness champion is... Nimi! Well done! Congratulations! You deserve it, you deserve it. You have won the final prize, which is 2 tickets to Flip Out. Oh, you really showed you could prove yourself in 1 minute, I must say. How do you feel, Nimi?
Yeah, I feel excited, elated. I knew this was gonna come.
Oh, yeah.
I just, you know, I just had to keep it down.
Like the
just to-
confidence, like the confidence. Do you feel
Yeah.
like you had like some good competition there? Like, how do you feel about contestants?
Yeah, you know, they try their best, but at the end of the day, you know,
I feel you're very proud of this.
There can only be one. So.
You're very right. You are the Minute Managed champion. Well, you should
I'm
all
the
be
Minute Managed
extremely
champion.
proud of yourselves. You've really made every minute matter. Thank you for joining us here today, but that is sadly all from us. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a brilliant day. Goodbye.